Gymnosperms 2. Branch of bishop pine, Pinus muricata. Stem, male cone, scar of dwarf shoot, needle, foliage, leaf, apical bud, ovuliferous scale, ovule then seed bearing structure, second year female cone. Female cone, first year. Dwarf shoot, scale leaf scar, stem, cone stalk, cone, bud scale, needle, foliage, leaf, ovuliferous scale, ovule then seed bearing structure. Female cone, third year. Female cone, woody ovuliferous scale, ovule then seed bearing structure. Terminal zone of branch, stem, dwarf shoot, apical bud, needle, foliage, leaf. Micrograph of cross section through needle, foliage, leaf. Endodermis, inner layer of cortex, stoma, pore, vascular tissue, phloem, xylem, mesophyll, photosynthetic tissue, epidermis, outer layer of cells, cuticle, waterproof covering, resin canal. Micrograph of needle, foliage, leaf of pine, Pinus species. Upper surface of needle, foliage, leaf, margin of needle, foliage, leaf. Micrograph of longitudinal section through shoot apex of pine, Pinus species. Apical bud scale, apical bud, shoot apex, needle, foliage, leaf, bud scale, scale, leaf, immature needle, foliage, leaf. Micrograph of cross section through young stem of pine, Pinus species. Vascular tissue, secondary xylem, phloem, primary xylem. Cortex, layer between epidermis and vascular tissue, medullary ray, extension of pith. Hypodermis, cell layer below epidermis, pith, base of dwarf shoot trace, vascular bundle supplying dwarf shoot, epidermis, outer layer of cells, resin canal. Micrograph of cross section through young root of pine, Pinus species. Primary xylem, secondary xylem, resin canal, cortex, layer between phloem and vascular tissue, endodermis, inner layer of cortex, phloem, phloem, protective outer layer. Micrograph of cross section through mature root of pine, Pinus species. Resin canal, primary xylem, phloem, cortex, layer between phloem and vascular tissue, secondary xylem, phloem, protective outer layer. Cross section through mature stem of bishop pine, Pinus muricata. Annual ring, hardwood, supportive inactive secondary xylem, branch trace, vascular bundle supplying branch, pith, sapwood, active secondary xylem, bark, phloem, peridum, outer layer of bark.